Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to record setting up a Zoom live feed to YouTube and to Facebook. And not to school and to Kollab. So Kollab go live right here. Facebook GTL go live right here. And uh, YouTube create go live. And hopefully it will record my my menu item, live stream. Wow, custom. Nope, that's not the button I need. Um, the info. No. Let's do this. I know that's a way to get that menu item. Now I want to change that menu item to live stream. No, that's not the button I want because I know it's not set. I want to change this menu to not the live stream now. There we go. Apps. Live stream. There we go. Remove this channel. Remove this channel. Refresh the app. Add a channel, custom. We're going to call this YouTube. YouTube. Well, no, let's call it go live here. I don't want um, webcam. I want from streaming. Stream key. Copy the stream key. Stream URL. Stream URL. Stream page. And then I think I'm probably going to want this page, Control C, Control V, because it doesn't say there's a page. So I think I just have to, I think that's the one I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Okay, I'm going to add this channel and also a custom channel. And this is the Kollab GHL. I want that name later. I don't see a title. Oh, edit the title. Um, let's go here. We don't need this whole screen, so I'm just going to pull it partially over. Go live. Streaming software. Advanced settings. Okay. And I'm going to want there we go. There we go. New key. Okay, let's go back over here. Kollab. Okay, let's change this to Facebook. String key and server URL, and page URL is this. Save. Okay, now we're going to add the Kollab channel. Custom. Go live in just for fun. Streaming software. There's the key. So this is going to say Kollab. There's the key. There's the URL. And the page is going to be this. Let's see. Okay. Start streaming. Wow. Wow. Okay. That sure seems like it's set up correctly. What I don't know if we see is on the recording is whether we see the setups. I'm going to go over here to Facebook, and I'm going to go title. Let's see, let's go title Control V, and that sure seems good. And then we're going to go over here to choose Go Live. We're going to go. Wow, that sure looks good. And it is showing the panel, the control panel from my Zoom. My face is just off the side of the screen on the other. Um, deal. So, what do we want to talk about? Let's talk about this conversation I just had. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click this go live, and we're going to go ahead and click this go live, and we're going to click, where do we actually click the go live? Or are we already live? We've been live this whole time. Okay, so that's a difference. So for YouTube, it immediately goes live. Is that correct? I'm not seeing viewers. I'm not seeing anything if it's live or not. It's just in private. Oh, that's so we can change it from that's how we change it to that's how we go live. I bet. Okay. So changes are saved. I wonder if that means we're now transmitting live on Zoom. So there's Zoom. And where did my screens go for Facebook? We're live. And refresh this. Sure enough, there we are. All right. Thank you, Cami, for checking in. And let's check over here on Kollab. Sure looks like we're live in Kollab. No conversation, comments. And obviously that's really annoying. So let me just change out of that so we don't have to look at that mirror hall effect. So I'm having a conversation with somebody today. And yes, if you're going to cold DM someone, you have an agenda. You don't randomly cold DM people. Um, but being self-aware enough to know being self-aware enough to understand when your message is falling on deaf ears and to shift to asking of different questions. So the issue that I see over and over again with people in the digital marketing space is they don't have they know how to run their script. They don't seem to understand how to have a networking conversation. They don't understand how to shift from trying to sell a thing to establishing a relationship. So my theme that over the last 48 hours or so, 24 hours or so, has been the the way networking works is by establishing a rapport with the other person. Instead of trying to make a sale, try to build connection, build rapport, build a relationship, have a conversation, ask the person what's important to them, not how do I sell my thing to you. I don't know how else to say it. I don't, I've, I, maybe I'm banging my shaved head against a brick wall. Um, and I understand that most of the people I'm talking to, there's a language barrier. Um, and so I don't even know if they're understanding what I'm saying. All right. So, um, what I've proven is that I can live stream to all three platforms simultaneously. I'm going to um, click my stop stream button here, and we're going to see if that terminates the feed on all three platforms. Kollab it has stopped. YouTube is now at 8 minutes and it's spinning, looking for a feed. Facebook is Facebook seems to be quite a ways behind us. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, video has ended. Okay. All right. So I think that was a good test. Uh yeah, I'm pretty happy um with the way that went. I will probably edit the version of this that I saved to YouTube um to blank out the URLs and the stream keys. But other than that, this is a good test.